Hello everyone, this is Josephine Sander again, and today I'm gonna share with you guys yung mga maling akala when you do an online business. First, you need to be a tech expert. Yun ang sabi nila, but hindi. It's ano lang yun, mga maling akala lang yun. Kasi when I started this online business, hindi naman ako very knowledgeable about tech. But I just learned it, and with the help of our system and automation and step-by-step training, it can be learned, and I'm running my own online business. Secondly, they said you'll make money overnight. Hindi totoo yan. Online business as well takes effort, consistency, and of course time to grow your business, right? So mga maling akala lang yan, akala ng iba, when you start the business today, tomorrow you'll be rich. Thirdly, ito pa, sabi nila you have to work 24/7 to succeed. Hindi naman, maling akala lang yan. So actually ang online business namin, especially with our system, it helps me have that work-life balance, and also it helps me to have more time with my family. Now I can really give more time in volunteering at school for my son and be with him. So if you are a mom or a parent that would like or looking for to earn more extra, and still having that time, enough time to take care or to spend with your family, check my website and you'll see maybe it can help you as well. Bye bye for now.